Yo, what up? You are back for another video with Datazero. We have another AMC investigation video. Listen, we're going to show you guys why price is going up, not with charts, but with actual facts and on-the-ground investigations, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to show you why things are resurging, and we are going to show you guys AMC at its peak. Let's just go ahead and hop in it. This video is insane. It's lit. Non-spoiler review. Spider-Man, brand new day. It's a brand new day for AMC. Let's go. Guys, I'm at Spider-Man and it is popping right now. We're about to show you guys 150,000 cars. Wait till you see this stuff we're about to show you guys right now, man. There's more cars than you've ever seen in this parking lot right now. Hold on. Wait till you see it. Panoramic view. Spider-Man's going crazy, y'all. Spider-Man's going crazy, man. There's so many people here. It's insane right now. Check it out. And that's not even the half of it. This goes all the way around. It's wrapped all the way around the building right now. Lit. So we're about to go into the theater. Check this out. Support our local AMC. You already know the deal. Earnings was crazy. Q3 about to be nuts. They're going in, man. Spider-Man, brand new day. This joint is jumping, bro. It is absolutely jumping right now. There are so many people here and you can feel the atmosphere. It is alive right now, guys. So I think Q3 is looking good, man. Fundamentally changing. The box office is back, bro. You cannot deny it. We've been seeing this too. We've been seeing a lot more people coming out, man. We've been seeing a lot more people coming out and a lot more people spending money, a lot more people buying food. All right, there's a lot of people here, bro. There's a lot of people here. All right, let's go ahead and go in here. It's popping. Spider-Man, brand new day. It's a brand new day for AMC. It's a brand new day for AMC. Behind me are a ton of people buying food. All right, you can see all these people behind me. They're all buying food. It is absolutely insane how many people are here right now, and a lot of people are in line buying food. It's crazy. This is the line for the food. Absolutely insane. There's mad people here, y'all. Mad people here. And they're getting food. That's very, very important, guys. They're not just buying tickets, they're getting food. So this is absolutely huge, guys. Q3 is going to be a banger, and this is the proof. I'm on the ground doing the news, doing the investigation now, giving you guys the proof. This is the fundamentals you see behind the technical movements that we are seeing on AMC and why we are seeing price go up. Spider-Man brand new day also sold out. We're going to go peep the seats right now. The previews are playing, but this is packed. There's a ton of people here. It's absolutely thriving. Again, this is the fundamentals that you are seeing behind the price action. The whole theater is packed. The whole theater is packed. And we got the premium seats with the swinging tables, bro. We're at the premium theater right now. And it's lit, y'all. The whole theater's packed. All of the seats. Peep the seats, and now I'm gonna go get some food. We're gonna get some slushies, popcorn. You already know how we do. We might get some other stuff, but if we do, we'll give you a review. I already tried the chicken fingers here. They're actually slapping. We also tried the french fries here. Those are slapping. So we tried a different things at AMC. Never tried the pizza. They got pizza. Never tried the pizza. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever tried AMC pizza. And let me know what you guys think of the AMC food, but there is a ton of people buying food. The line went down a little bit, but there's still people buying. So that's very, very important. Again, like I said, this is showing you the fundamentals behind the price action that we're seeing. This is why price is going up. And I am on the ground doing investigating and showing you guys the proof that the movies are not dead. Not just numbers, not just charts. We are showing you on the ground that AMC is not dead. And we're at a very special AMC. This one got a bar in it. You guys can see there's a bar over there. It has a whole lobby, entertainment center. It's crazy, man. So off the chain, and this is absolutely insane. Thriving. We are here on a Friday. Spider-Man brand new day. It's doing numbers. Sold out, baby. As customary, when I come to AMC, we got our popcorn and we got our red 40, aka slushy, baby. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Supporting the movement. Supporting those earnings. Come out and do the same. AMC. Customary with these videos, I give you guys a non-spoiler review at the end. Let you guys know how it is. Maybe even a sneak peek at the preview scene. So spoiler warning ahead on that. But we're gonna go ahead and head in here and see see what is popping with Spider-Man: A Brand New Day. Spider-Man: Brand New Day, baby, it's popping. All right, I try to get a shot. There's mad people in here. The theater's full, bro. It's full. I'm inside of AMC.
And your occupation?
The theater is packed.
I'm a professional defendant.
I run classifiers on political groups. We're 30% on the platform.
We are also drinking our Slurpee.
And is doing nothing.
I know there are easier enemies to make. The Mafia will be an easier enemy.
Apparently there is another Facebook movie coming out. Believe it or not, yeah, so another Facebook movie coming out. Will it do numbers? We need it to. Check this out.
Hear what?
That controls. These seats are premium seats, AMC, baby. People here inside of they got blankets and stuff like that. They're just all snuggled up. It's a real experience. There's a Jumanji number 4 coming out. I don't know. I'm watching the news right now. It's like Jumanji number 6, 7. I don't know. But it's coming out right now. I'm watching the previews.
The movies unite us all, bringing us here.
We love AMC, baby. Check out Styles Program.
After the show.
This person bought merch. That's a Spider-Man merch right there. So people are also buying merch. This is huge.
We come to AMC
Q3 earnings, baby. Nicole Kidman commercial. Anybody who's been to AMC knows about this.
A place like this. AMC Theater.
The biggest, most emotional, and most fun Spider-Man adventure. Action, plenty of surprises.
Guys, we're trying to get a sneak peek of the post-credit scene. I'll let you know here in a second. Everybody's waiting for the post-credit. We're all waiting for the post-credit scene. Spider-Man Brand New Day 5, bro. That's all 5. Guys, Doomsday clip.
No Spider-Man sighting. Location unknown.
Doom is coming. As you guys can see, mad people still here. There's people are still in line getting food and stuff, but Brand New Day was lit. I don't know if I can put the cutscene in the video. I'm gonna try, but I'll probably get copyright for that, so I don't know if I can put the cutscene in the video, but we will try. But if you don't see the cutscene, couldn't make the cut. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you anybody watching right now. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and definitely come out to your local AMC, see Brand New Day, see something, man, see the Odyssey, and then support. Make sure you get some food too when you come out there. But yeah, lots and lots and lots and lots of people. Look, the parking lot is still packed, full of people. So the movies is back, baby, and whoever says the movies is dead, they haven't been to the movies lately, because I'm telling you right now, this is far from dead. It's 1 o'clock in the morning right now. Thriving, absolutely thriving. Guys, so we have some brand new movies coming out right here. Make sure you check those out. There's other new movies coming out, and again, absolutely thriving. Absolutely thriving, y'all. Whoever said the movies is dead, bro, they haven't been to the movies in a minute, because this is crazy. Look at this. Look at this, bro. This is jumping like it's some type of nightclub or something out here, man. It's crazy. Get ready for that Q3 earnings. Q3 earnings is going to be just as good as Q2. Remember, they said they broke records. Remember, pre-pandemic levels. I'm telling you, bro, because I'm on the ground. I'm seeing the stuff on the ground. Remember when I told you guys the movies were coming back when I first started doing this series? And I was like, yo, I'm telling you, the movies is coming back. The movies is coming back. We are seeing it more and more and more, like full force. On the ground investigations, movies are back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. AMC, this is why you're seeing price go up. Live in effect. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace.